Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel RideNexus and subscribe my channel. Compact SUV, a popular subcompact crossover, known for its small footprint, approx. 4 meters long, making it excellent for city driving. Asterisk engine, often comes with a 1.0 liters turbo 3-cylinder engine, around 98 horsepower and 140 Newton meters of torque, or a 1.2L naturally aspirated hybrid option in some markets. Asterisk platform, built on the Daihatsu New Global Architecture, DNGA. Asterisk standard style, characterized by its boxy, muscular look, LED lighting, and good ground clearance around 185 to 200 millimeters. Standard interior, typically features a modern cabin with a 7-inch or 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system, often with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a digital driver display. The seats visible in the picture appear to have a tan beige upholstery, a contrast to the black exterior. Asterisk verdict. This modified Raize is a great example of transforming an affordable, practical city SUV into a striking, youthful, and high-performance styled crossover. It highlights the potential for personalization,